Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting your account and app ready. Sign into the Google account you plan to use because your library and playlists sync to that profile. Next, install the YouTube Music app or Open Music. YouTube, calm on your desktop, this is where you'll complete the setup. Once done, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and a charged device. Background uploads and offline downloads use bandwidth and battery, so prepare accordingly. Now configure how YouTube Music behaves. Open settings and choose streaming quality and download preferences so tracks use the right data and storage. On desktop, import your tracks. Go to Uploads and drag files or click Upload. This adds personal files to your library. If you're moving from another service, use the Transfer/Import option to bring playlists across, and link other devices in settings so playback and downloads sync instantly. Finish by making the app work for you. Download key playlists for offline listening and confirm storage settings so you don't run out of space. Enable background play and notifications, and allow auto updates so features and fixes arrive automatically. If something goes wrong, like missing uploads, try a targeted fix. Rootload the file, clear the app cache, or sign out and sign back in to force a sync. This usually resolves library or playback mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.